This is opulence. Welcome to the penthouse suite at the Silo Hotel. Let me show you guys around. Today we're in the famous Silo district in Cape Town, South Africa, where I'm going to be staying at the most eclectic and maximalist penthouse that I have ever seen in my life. And get this, it's 10,000 US dollars a night. So it's only right that I show you guys everything it has to offer. Okay, so first things first, when you enter into the penthouse, there is a powder room on your right and a mini kitchen on your left. Just so I guess if you have guests coming over, you can offer them the washroom, offer them a drink before they enter into the main space, probably take off their shoes. We're in a mini kitchen right now. Look at these little cups, aren't they so ornate? I love these. Each room in the silo has its own theme. So in the penthouse it's yellow, so they've got these yellow cups. In the family duplex, I believe it's green, they've got green cups. And in one of the other rooms that I stayed at, it's pink and orange, and they have pink and orange cups. I just thought I'd let you guys know that. I think that's so cute. Then you've got your teas, your coffees, drinks. You've even got a microwave, toaster. I believe there's even a dishwasher. I mean, if you're spending £10,000 a night, I don't think you're going to be washing your own dishes, but you never know. Maybe you might want to do that. You might want to be independent and see how the other half live. I know when I'm in this room, that's not happening at all. It's room service all day, every day. Let's go forward. So as soon as you enter this room, you enter into the main sort of reception area. You have a beautiful view of the Table Mountain, actually the whole of Table Mountain. You won't see it right now because obviously your girl needs to be in focus. And then on the other side, you also have Lion's Head and Signal Hill. There's just a lot to see in this room and we're gonna walk through it. One thing that you will find when you're staying at the Silo Hotel is art. Am I even allowed to touch these? I don't know, but I'm touching them. Let's put them right back. From the coffee table books, to the portraits, the statues, you'll find it all over the hotel from the moment you walk in the doors. Every single element of design and art in this hotel is intentional and inspired to show off African art. And that's because it's also attached to the Zeitz Museum, which if you didn't know, is the largest museum of African art and art from diaspora in all of Africa. So they better have some African art in here. And speaking of opulence and art, there are 8 crystal chandeliers gracing this penthouse and they are so beautiful. And I told you guys that everything in here is art. So this beautiful looking cupboard is actually your bar. This is where you get your drinks, your whiskeys, your premium alcohol, everything that you want will be in here. They've even got knives and forks in here to cut up limes and lemons if you want to have those gin and tonics. We're moving on to the second reception area. This is like the living room. It's a really chill spot where you can just relax, enjoy the view. There's so much to see. The view is insane. Have a drink. By the way, the windows at the Silo are very famous. They could have made any style of window. They could have made it straight, they could have made it clear so you can see everything. But I kind of like this design. It's unique, it gives a different perspective, and you know once you see it, you're looking at the Silo Hotel. One more thing, the Silo Hotel is the highest point in the Victoria and Alfred waterfront. So you get to overlook many of the hotels and structures that are here, but you have the top view once you go up to the penthouse. So that is Radisson Red Hotel, and that's their rooftop. They face the Silo. You've got Virgin Active here. You've basically got view of everything, including the harbour. The second part of the living room area, same thing, just another beautiful place for you to sit with views, with an opulent chandelier hanging over your head. We're heading now into the study. Can you imagine writing a letter here, just sitting, chilling, looking at this beautiful view? But also, you can find out a lot of information about the hotel, including housekeeping, guest info, activities, dining, spa, basically everything that you might need is in here. They've also got little boxes and things, pens and paper, so that you can write stuff and have your little trinkets. But you can just muse here, bring your laptop, do some work. And we're now entering the master bedroom. This is a beautiful bedroom. Again, going with this yellow theme, and I am in love with it. The linens, they have thought about it so well. I think there's a TV in here. Let me see. Yep, there's a TV in here. They also have a cinema room in this penthouse, but we'll get here. We'll get there. The front count for the linen is 1,000 Egyptian cotton. Of course it is. Of course it is. What else would it be? And it is emblazoned with the Royal Portfolio logo, which is the hotel chain that owns the Silo Hotel. One of my favorite things about this room is the wall-to-wall windows. They are amazing. Letting in lots of natural light, of course, but then you can do this. Absolutely blackout blinds when you need them. You can sleep no matter what time of day it is, even though there's so much light coming in here. And in the mornings, the sunrise that comes into here, when you lift those windows, I just like playing with this. I just do this all day. Having a cup of coffee, doing your sun salutations, saying good morning, South Africa. The view, of course, stunning. Cape Town is one of the windiest cities in the world. So you might have fun going out there, you might get blown away, but either way, it's still a nice view to get blown away from. You also have a his and her walk-in closet over there. You've got a shower room, and there's a massage room in there as well. On the other side, you've got another closet. So apart from having one closet here, which actually holds enough for both his and her, there's another one in there as well. How many closets do you need? You get two robes. One's a silky robe to just lounge around in. The other is a towel robe for after showers. They're both luxurious. We love to see it. You also have your safe, your linen bag, another set of robes. And in here you have your shoe shine, sanitary bags, insect repellent, sunscreen from Charlotte Race. These are luxury products, of course. You also have a sewing kit, vanity kit, and a shoe mint. I've saved the best bit for you for last because this is my favorite room. The bathroom, the bathroom, the bathroom. Opulent. Just look at it. It's gorgeous and I love it. So one thing that I love about this tub in particular is how it opens. Y'all see that? Y'all see where the water's coming from? I love that there is different options to have seats in the bathroom. You've got a shower here, of course, and all of the products here are premium products from Penthouse, London, and they smell amazing. So you have a black marble shower in the male version, I'm assuming, but anybody can use it. And now you have the white marble shower in the main bathroom. You thought we were done? No, we still have 2 more rooms to go. Let me show you one of my favorite features in the dining room. Look at this chair. Look at this chair. Oh, I feel like a queen. Regal. But this is the dining room, you guys. It seats, I don't know, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You can host a really great party here. As you've seen so far, this is an open plan penthouse. You've got your living rooms, your reception areas, and now your dining room. It's kind of like an L-shaped penthouse suite. Next, we're gonna go into the cinema room. Let's go. And this is the cinema room. One of the more modest rooms with a large screen TV. And you can see here that all of the books, which are National Geographic, are conveniently all yellow, which goes with the theme. And you have a seating area for 4 guests. And of course there are blackout blinds if you want this room completely dark so you can enjoy your cinematic experience. And this door in the cinema room leads to the second bedroom that is annexed to the penthouse. So if you have kids or guests, they'll stay here. Penthouse takes up the entire top floor, but we haven't talked about the rest of the hotel, including the restaurant, which carries the same style as the penthouse, those iconic windows, and of course, award-winning cuisine that will make your taste buds tingle. Dining here feels like a sensory experience with all of the crazy art, beautiful views, and exquisite food. I mean, look at some of these meals. What would you even pick? And you can't forget about the rooftop, which has an insane pool, again with stunning views. an oyster bar, an omakase sushi bar, and cocktails. And let's not forget about the insane service. So, $10,000 a night. Would you stay here?